use the same string that your Boffman pipe comes with to tie your quad packs. This is the same string. You see Francisco over here making a tie. You see Valentine over there making a tie. Look at that quad pack going in. Nice. Nice. So we got, doesn't matter, end plugs, end caps, you know, whatever we have in the tool trailer. We like the internal end plugs for when there's utilities, that's for sure. So use the exact same rope. As you're piecing your quad pack together, I get people asking me all the time, how do you do that? You know, how do you keep everything tight before you put the stone in? You just tie it. Just tie it with the Boffman. They have a really good, for the coils, to stay coiled, it has to be a really good type of twine. You know, it's not a hemp rope, so it's a material that's extremely strong, guys. All right, so that's how you hold your Boffman. You know, it doesn't matter if it's high octane or if it's high octane. In this case, we have some of the Boffman Gold in this system. Here, this quad pack's finished. You know, they went ahead and ran the Boffman Gold, and then they got 3 of the Boffman High Octane. Always run your Boffman Gold on top of your High Octane, but, you know, tie it together. You know, like right here, this is some of that rope from the coils, and, yep, look at these guys. They know what the heck, look at this. They know exactly how to get this done quick. So that's what they're doing right now. They're just tying their quad pack together. And then once it's tight, look at this, nice and tight, all tied together. You know, I'm walking on this because it's, only because it's Boffman tile can I walk on this. But, you know, they got their ties so that this doesn't pop out of the ground. They got to be able to pour the stone in here, and this thing, and we will stand on it and hold it down with shovels because you don't want your stone to go down and under. I will tell you though, it's harder for the stone to do that with quad packs. With single runs, just a single pipe, yeah, that's, the game changes, but quad packs have changed the way we do drainage systems, period. You flow more water with less stone, less labor, less expense. It's a more user-friendly type install for DIY. All right, guys, until the next video.